I didn't even know there was a silver play button award for most of my time on YouTube, but at some point I heard about it and then I suddenly thought, hey, I'm getting quite close to it. And I don't think anyone was more surprised than I was, except perhaps one person. So I did all the online stuff to apply for the award and I got notification that I should be expecting the parcel at a certain date. Yesterday, we had a note left at the front door saying there was a parcel for me. Well, I didn't think it could be the parcel because I still had another week to go before the time I was advised it would be arriving. So this morning, I just got to the post office with the slip to get whatever package it was. So I give it to the guy and he turns around to rummage through all the parcels that were there. And at some point, I heard him say, oh, it's the YouTube something, talking to himself. And I thought, oh, has it arrived already? And then I heard him say something like, oh, it's the silver play something. And I thought, oh, he's heard of them. Didn't occur to me that really he'd know about them because I barely knew about it and I was making videos. So he looks at it and he looks up at me and he goes, you? Now, I don't know who he had pictured would be coming in to collect the award when he saw the parcel, but it certainly wasn't me. And I said, yes, it's amazing, isn't it? And he agreed. Not what he expected, not what I expected. But here we are. So let's have a quick look. So we have some foam. It was packed by Rick. Thank you, Rick. And a letter, dear, I guess they meant to write my name in. Do I remember my first subscriber, my 100th, my 1000th? I don't even know who my 100,000th was. I couldn't find out a way to know who was what number. But it says, no matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th? So let's have a look at it. Stephen Travers Art, well that's good, I wrote it down correctly. Presented to Stephen Travers Art for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. And here we have it. Oh, it's very polished. I can see my face in that. And here we have it, nice and shiny. I think one of these may have to come off the wall to make room for it. Can I say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, both because it's been a personal encouragement to me, and secondly, because those subscriptions are in a way a form of review. They're a form of endorsement and give confidence to other people to try one of my videos. And if you've subscribed to my channel and haven't yet hit notifications, why not do that now before I thank the second group of people, which is to thank everyone who's left a comment on one of my videos. Besides, again, being encouraging and providing opportunity, I hope at times for interest in engagement with further comments or clarifications, either from me or from other people watching my channel. The comments often, very importantly, have given me direction with thoughts and ideas of where to go with future videos. They're a really important part of how the channel works. YouTube has been an incredible opportunity and experience for me. It's made me realize I am just as much a teacher inside, I think, as I am an artist inside. And so it's been a wonderful bringing together of the two worlds. With the channel's growth, it is sometimes difficult to keep up with all the comments I receive. So try as I do now, if I don't get to respond to a comment that you've made, I've almost certainly seen it at least, and I am doing my best. And of course, a thank you to my long-suffering wife who's had to cope with me making all these videos all the time with being told, don't put the kettle on, don't put the microwave on, can you turn the washing machine off, you can't vacuum now, I'm going to film. and having me tell her way too many times, I can't do that. I have to finish this video. I have to finish this editing. I have to do a drawing. No, I need to answer these comments now. And all the times when I'm not really listening because I've started scripting a new idea for a new video in my head. So thank you for being part of this journey. And why not help continue it by hitting the video that's appearing on your screen now, watching it, and then having a go at drawing it. But hey, whatever you're watching, whatever you're drawing, however you're drawing it, make sure you have fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.